Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, everyone, closing out our Wednesday, we're looking ahead at some better weather, but some changes in store that could include flakes for a few of us. Details on that in a second. A word from my sponsors at Robert Gibb and Sons, a premier Bryant dealer. Hey, they have a sump pump replacement special for $550. Call them in and get that sump pump checked and make sure that your home is safe from any flooding that's going on across the area. $135 sump inspection fee will be waived if the pump needs replacement, and that replacement fee, once again, ending late June, is $550. Call my friends at Robert Gibb and Sons today. Tell them Hutch sent you, please. All right, look what's behind me. No, I've got to tell you, there is a chance that some areas could see some flakiness as we go into our Friday. Let's get to the details on the forecast. First, we're going to look at the forecast over the next 7 days. Let's focus on Thursday and Friday. Thursday, not bad, but cool. 48 degrees, a chance for some late showers, maybe rumbles of thunder. Look at the low on Friday. Cold air spilling in behind the system will bring 30s back to the valley, and that means a chance for some across North Dakota, not all, to see some flakes mixing in. I'll show you more details on that, and we'll talk about how much rain is also coming, because measurable rain is likely for many, and some could see an inch or more. 49 degrees is all we're going to muster in Fargo on Friday. That's cool. The weekend looking better as we head into the 3-day holiday. Average temperatures are 71. We won't be far from that on Saturday. A little bit of a hiccup on Sunday with a few sprinkles here and there. It does not look like a big wet system. And then for Memorial Day itself, temperatures rock back into the 70s to near 80 by Tuesday. And that's a quick look at your forecast. Now, here's a snapshot of Friday morning. This is the European model showing rain in the valley, but a chance for some mix and maybe snow in the Devil's Lake Basin and points in the central Dakotas and parts of southern Manitoba as this system moves north and east throughout the day. Now, as you take a look at the snowfall potential with this system, if we get snow at all, it's going to be slushy. So the best chance of that will be in our northern counties. You see the model here estimates 6.2 inches. I don't think so, but I do think 1 to 3 inches in spots of slushy snow cannot be ruled out at this very early juncture. So just know some areas could have a surprise close to the week. Now, let's take a look at some model guidance here, shall we? Now, what I want to point out with regards to this, we're going to look at the American model. And on this American model, I'm going to zoom into the US of A, and we're going to look at our area in specific. So let me go ahead and get that loaded up for us real quickly here. Now, one thing to know about this system is all three models, the American model, the European model, even the Canadian model, are showing at least a mixed precipitation working its way through. But what does this mean as far as we showed you snowfall? Now let's talk about rainfall. So what we're going to look at is a 24-hour rainfall total across the area as we go into Saturday morning. That would mean Friday morning's rainfall. Do you see this system working its way from west to east? Some areas, liquid moisture over an inch will be possible. This is way out there in time. So I would not say we can bank on this, but the potential is going to be there for, say, a half inch to an inch for many places. And under those gully washers on the wet side of this system, looks to be in the valley in northwest Minnesota, we could see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall from those systems working their way through. And we already have some flooding problems. So we're going to close the work week with some more rain in the forecast. All right, I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. I'll keep you updated right here. I hope we don't have any of this. I do not count on it in Fargo. If it does happen, it looks like it'll be in north central and portions of northeast North Dakota. Have a wonderful evening, and I will be back here to update you very frequently. You're watching Hutch's Weather.